Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to upload a Laravel project to Hostinger. First, go to your Laravel project folder on your computer. Compress the entire project into a zip file. This will make uploading easier and faster. Next, log into your Hostinger hPanel. Navigate to the File Manager section. Open the File Manager, then go into the public HTML folder. Upload the zip file into public HTML using the Upload button in File Manager. Wait until the upload is complete, because larger Laravel projects may take some time. Once the zip is uploaded, right-click on it and choose Extract. Choose to extract the files into public HTML. After extraction, delete the zip file from the server to save space. At this point, open the folder where the files were extracted. Select all the files and folders, then use the Move option in File Manager to move them into the root of public HTML. Now you need to configure Laravel to work in this structure. In public HTML, open the index.php file. Update the paths so that Laravel can load the proper files. Next, you need to set up your database. In hPanel, go to the Databases section and create a new MySQL database, a database user, and assign the user to your database. Then open the .env file in your Laravel project on the server and update the database, username, and password fields with the values you just created. After updating, save the .env file. Finally, check your website by visiting your domain in a browser. If everything is correct, your Laravel site should be live. Thanks for watching.